Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of May 14th, 2020. Here are some upcoming events. This past week was Spirit Week at both of our campuses. We had Crazy Hat Day, Twin Day, Disney Character Day, and many more fun days to dress up. Here are some pictures. Seniors, please film yourselves in your cap and gown and move your tassel from the right to the left. You can send the video to Miss Murphy via Jupiter Ed or via email at jmurphy@pbmalantana.org. If your cap and gown didn't come in yet, it should be delivered next week and Miss Murphy will contact you about when to pick it up. All devices that were borrowed from PBMA will be returned at the elementary campus located at 1518 West Lantana Road, Lantana, Florida 33462. This is for all students who have borrowed devices from the school in grades kindergarten through 12th grade. You will remain in your vehicle at all times, and a staff member will approach your vehicle to take the device. Please bring the device and charger between the following dates and times. We will do our best to make this process as quick as possible. Monday, June 1st, between 8 a.m. and 3 p.m. Tuesday, June 2nd, between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. Remember, everybody's dropping off at the elementary school. Shout out to Miss Martin as Teacher of the Month for all of her hard work in distant learning and being a great support for staff in helping with transition and training. Miss Boudou had her students at the middle school scavenge for art things around them to create a positive word in the crisis. Here are some pictures. Here are the secondary sharks of the week. Matthew Espinosa, Kylie Puchar, Sarah Maradia, Joseph Mandiaz, Frangela Felipe, Amaya Lopez, Tatiana Martinez, Kayana Poitier, Cesar Cabrera, Jonathan Whistler, Christian Garcia Nabler, Roberto Mondragon, and Samantha Camilis. Congratulations, Sharks. Kindergarten graduation will be on Friday, May 22nd at 9 o'clock a.m. High school graduation will be on Tuesday, May 26th at 6 o'clock p.m. Middle school graduation will be on Thursday, May 28th at 6 o'clock p.m. All virtual graduations can be viewed on Facebook Live. We will be sending invitations with the link shortly. You don't need to have Facebook to watch it. Don't forget to wear your green on May 21st to support mental health awareness in Palm Beach County. Polo Tropical is offering free lunch to Palm Beach County children every weekday until the end of the school year. So go get your free lunch at Polo Tropical. Boynton Beach, Texas Roadhouse provided delicious lunches to all our staff last Friday for Teacher Appreciation Week. Here are some pictures. Elementary students, please be sure to complete Math and Reading iReady Diagnostics K-5 and Grade 5 Study Island Diagnostics. On May 25th, there's no school for Memorial Day, and the last day of school is Friday, May 29th. Ms. T was presented with the Tax Watch Best Principal Award and college scholarship that went to Caitlin Ashland. We are so proud of Ms. T for all you've done to help make PBMA the best school in Palm Beach County. Here's Ms. T's speech at the ceremony.
I just want to take a couple of minutes. Florida Tax Watch, you're doing such an amazing job, and I do want to thank you. This is a tremendous honor, and like some of the other principals, when I got this call, I was pretty stunned. So, and very, very grateful. I have been the principal. I'm the executive director now, but I've been the principal at Palm Beach Maritime Academy for 19 years. And have seen it grow from 87 students to now 1,150. I'm also so happy to see so many charter school principals represented here. So that's a wonderful thing, and it shows that we really are doing the job and doing well. So congratulations to all of the charter and district principals. We're the oldest general ed school in Palm Beach, and we're kindergarten through high school. We're 85% free and reduced lunch, and I can't really, as somebody else said, I can't really accept this award without being very, very grateful and thankful and sharing it with my board. I have a terrifically supportive board, my administrators, the teachers, and the students. And the teachers are brilliant, because I think that one of the things that we do well is have relationships and build relationships with the kids. You know, gone are the days where, you know, they will listen to you, period. Now you have to build relationships. And we tell the teachers, if they don't like you, especially in middle and high, they're not really going to learn from you. And it's important that they have creative lessons, and that they do things that will engage the kids, because the kids have so much stuff going on. And so we are a safe place for them. So I just want to close by thanking everyone. This was tremendous. My young lady, who I couldn't get I wasn't able to reach her for today, so I couldn't get her to come on, but she is going to get her associate's degree. She wants to be a firefighter paramedic, and this will give her all of the credits for the associate's degree that she'll need to do that. And I don't know what would have happened had she not gotten this. So again, thank you so much. And congratulations to everyone else. Thank you.
Marie, thank you so much. And now from the Department of...
Students, please stay focused on your courses and mindful of the assignments during the last 2 weeks of school. Please remember to like and follow us on Facebook to stay informed of important information now more than ever. I'm Mrs. Cooper, and this is Bailey. And remember, an informed parent is a great parent.